But I also understand the value of this study that has come across, because what it has shown is a huge relief on the burden of the health system, on the burden of individual treating physicians who have been keeping these children for very long because they are scared to send them back home. And with the results that are showing very high benefits, or at least equal benefits from keeping them in the hospital and sending them home, I think it would be, if implemented, it would be a big relief on the hospital setup, because as mentioned, there are like a number of these hospitals, including NICH and the other peripheral hospitals, have 3 or 4 children on one bed, which is completely unacceptable, because the quality of care that you can deliver to these children is highly compromised in that situation. So, and they were there just because you are unable to send them back home. So now with the results, hopefully we should be able to send them back home at an early stage without the fear that their quality of care or their outcome of the disease would be deteriorated. Clearly, it would reduce the cost not only on the health facility, but also on the family, because if they are living in the hospital, and when we are talking about the Sindh and also the other remote areas in Pakistan and across the world, then we know that the travel distances are great, and I mean very long distances, and the cost is very high for the family to be traveling to a health facility. So, we have to take into account the cost that is being borne by the family, even if you are giving the health facility is not charging anything. So I think that benefit would be a huge benefit for the family. And then as mentioned, when we are keeping them less and less in the hospital, then we are also benefiting the AMR, which is going to be a huge problem in the coming years. It's already a big problem, and it's going to get worse in the coming years. And we are scared. People like a country like Pakistan, where antimicrobials are available without prescription anywhere, and you can get any medicine, and AMR is a huge and big challenge. I mean, the only caution that I would be in my mind, I would have this, and probably we need to be cautious about, is the education of the parent when we are sending them home, because we know that once they are home, I mean, right now in the study design, you were following all the patients, you're making sure that the medicine is given on time, you are making sure that if they are deteriorating, they are brought back to the health facility. But we will not be doing the same once we are out of the study situation. So to ensure that they have been educated enough to make sure that the drug, when they are going home, that is given appropriately, is extremely important. To ensure that they are aware that if the child or the baby is deteriorating, they need to bring it back to the hospital, is extremely important. And I think these are the 2 words of caution that I would have when we are talking about the roll on the program. Only one other comment I would have about the implementation delay that has been mentioned quite frequently by Dr. Yasir and earlier by Dr. Salim. I would agree to some extent, but I would also disagree. And the reason I would like to disagree is, when we are talking about 25 years back, things were quite different in terms of dissemination and communication. Things have changed dramatically over the last decades, and over the last, every year, the changes are in leaps and bounds in terms of communication. Even the most remote area would have access to net and the phone and the smartphones and these so many means of communication. So I would say that probably, and also the implementation is not a one kind of solution for all these studies that we are talking about, or all the science that we need to transmit. Sometimes the studies are very simple, or the intervention is not that complicated for it. I would say that, with the implementation, with the study, intervention is very simple. I would hope and pray and assume that the implementation would not take that long for it to be not effective. So we really hope that the implementation time is shortened by all of us put together, and we really see the benefit of this study. Thank you.